Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable or disable URL rewriting in Joomla. It may be a really important function if you would like to use some plugins or extensions, and sometimes it may be the conflict between the extension and the Joomla, so sometimes you need to disable this function. So if you want to do it, first you need to log into your administrator panel, and after that you need to go to System. Then we will see here a lot of really useful options, but we are interested in to go to global configuration settings. And here we need to open the first one tab, the tab is site. And here we need to scroll down. And now we have here SEO settings. One of them is use URL rewriting. If you want to enable this option, you need to click on it. But if you want to disable it, you need to uncheck this box. If you will change the settings, you need to click Save. And then configuration will be successfully saved here. So let's scroll down again and let's check if the option has been successfully disabled. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you have a problem.